Good day everyone. So I will be discussing about my topic and my topic is all about learning disability. So learning disabilities are differences in a person's or a child's brain that can affect how well they read, they write, speak or do or solve math and handle other similar tasks. So, it means that the brain works in different way. So, it does not mean that the child is lazy or not intelligent. It just means that they need different ways of learning, more practice and support of that child. So, that is what we call the learning disabilities. So, next is dyslexia. So, dyslexia is a learning disability that affects your ability to read, write, and spell accurately. So it happens when your brain has trouble understanding written words. It does not mean that the person is not smart. Their brain just learns in a different way. So for example, a child sees the word school but reads it as but the letter are like mixed up together, like instead of school they read they write the school into school. So the letters are there but the order mixed up. So that is what we call the dyslexia or type of the learning disabilities of a